Oh, God, people, thanks for back to the Patwanewsnetwork Network. Big up on yourself, you don't know. Now, in the headlines, Jamaica get new curfew hours and look at the street boat for free up again. Gas price rise and they got the whole of the net back. The Queen dead. Or is she? Jamaica said forget an increase in the minimum wage. Or is it? More details after the break. Now, as you hear from the headline, Jamaica gets some new curfew time. Andrew Wallace come out and say the time are going to move from 11 to 12. I know some people probably still going to say, so hold on, curfew still exists? And I wonder what the sense of 1 hour. But then you have some people on the other side where I sing that song here. 1 hour at a time. Andrew, that is all we asking of you. Oh yes, just free up the place. Beg you, me case. 1 hour at a time. Hallelujah. But what I see right now, people are still going to say, yo, the amount of the curfew still exists because everybody just there on road, they might do what they want, them party if they want, them stay on road if they want, them wear them mask if they want, them social distance if they want. So right now, Jamaica just free as a bird, you know. But Andrew wait, you know. Andrew just wait for the leg of the hours and say, yo, if I dirt, you know, do what I want to do. That's what we say I come right now, but until them time there, new curfew hours, 12 to 5 a.m. in the morning, so I do what I want to do with that. Remember recently, we could have talked about the rise in the COVID numbers them. How much people are dead off in Jamaica, how much people have COVID and them thing there. You know what the new thing we are kill we off on a rise and I dig out the next string right now? Are the gas price them. You see how the gas price them fly up in the air. Right now it make no sense you drive a car but you go buy one bicycle and ride go work. But I beg you now, government, please, just take off the gas tax. Take off the tax off of gas and kind of ease up off of the consumer them little bit because we can't afford it. We can't afford it. Our sister Marianne would have say,
Jesus, I'm tired!
Yeah man, we're tired.
God.
We're tired. We're tired, we can't manage it no more. So next thing right now, Jamaica said forget an increase in the minimum wage. I'm going to look on the teleprompter for that one. I come in and know the full details. Alright? So Jamaica is supposed to get a 28.5% increase in the minimum. Alright, that doesn't sound bad. That doesn't sound bad. What is that real? No, so this is a joke. The government have planned to give people $2 more extra $1,000 per the minimum wage. So when they used to get $7 grand now and $9,000 more get people. Now my granny always say no, we must be grateful in all things. Right? Be thankful. Yeah? So we have the gratitude for the $2 grand increase. But government, look on me good. Look on my face good. Look on the way we Jamaicans face good. When I go $9,000 and remember, minimum wage means say other money that you are going to get, it means the minimum where you can get. And me know say, if the minimum wage go much higher than that, the people who hire the people them little days work and the people who do other work for them and them something there. If them are going to give them more money, that means that for them pay have to go increase too. And that you want. Increase, everybody pay. People are dead out there who want more money. Lego the thing. Increase, people pay too. So that the minimum wage can move from like a 9,000 to like a 15 grand. That make more sense. Or at least a 12,000 something. But $9,000, what I can do in them day and age of government? No man, I have to do better man. We have to do better man. And Jamaicans are begging to do better man. Cost of living high. We are suffer. You not see it? Next thing on the news right now, people, and they probably wonder, oh, Jamaica not for do this, but it's all over the internet from what they say, boy, the Queen dead. But we can't tell you one thing, you know, people. The Queen not dead. She not dead. But for sure, if she did dead, her son would have come up with that information a long time. Of course, L.A. Lewis would have bust it and make them know people. Some people, when you hear the rumor them all go about, go check L.A. Lewis page and make sure say him post it say mommy dead. If him not say so, she not dead. Thanks for about people. Now, I leave you look at international news. I want to mention this before when we talk about the headlines them. But unless you live under Iraq, and even if you live under Iraq, you're supposed to know say war are going between Russia and Ukraine right now. Yeah man, big war are going on Russia and Ukraine people. I will say beg you know. Just send a couple prayer now for the people in Russia and Ukraine. The two of them man, the two countries them. Can nobody not beg for no war, you know, people? The president just make up their mind and say, yo, war have to go on, you know. So I beg you, just pray for the people them. Because people just are dead, you know. Some Jamaicans over there, you know. Jamaican students and just regular Jamaican people just live in Ukraine and live in Russia too. We are begging to pray for them too. And we have a question for you. Only they study at Ukraine. And we hear so war go on. Only left or no stay. Me if you comment, just comment and make you know. Only would have left or only would have stay. Now me have film view, you know. Me have film view, but the producer, so if you keep the thing neutral, them say the news is unbiased, so I'm not going to tell them what film view is. And for all I know, I feel like so we are chat about it too much for our local news. You see how the oil price has spiked? You see, so we can't even afford gas out here. Imagine how much the oil will go to by next month because of the war. Don't feel like it affect you here. Don't feel like it affect you. May I beg you, pray so the war stop. Next piece of international news, people. Now one little birdie tell me say, Prince William and his wife Kate supposed to forward at the Caribbean. And which part of them are going to stop? Jamaica, of course. Of course we welcome them and we're happy to have them. But then we hear say how we are going to foot the bill. And then some say no. You don't see much sufferation are going out here. How we are going to foot people bill where we want to come on vacation? Foot them bill? No, sir, we can't manage that. We can't manage that. We barely could have find a little money to bring the people them from over Ukraine. See there? They must have said them come up with must $3 million or something like that. Like a chump change. To take them from over Ukraine. And we want a foot bill. For somebody and his wife come out upon vacation? No, sir. Now we one next thing come out now say, I know the full bill we are going to foot. And the security part of the bill we are going to foot. We don't business about that either. We not cover security either. Anyway, the news supposed to be neutral. It's supposed to be unbiased. So I'm just arguing the news. Prince William and his wife Kate, bless her heart, supposed to be coming out into Jamaica in a March. So you hear me always telling you say Jamaica no a real place, don't? No man, we no be like a real place. So add a new segment to PNN. It named Jamaica no a real place. So the first video we're going to put up, watch a video. And not tell me Jamaica a real place. Watch a video. No people, after I watch a video there, Jamaica can't be a real place. You see the man come out and smile. No man! And then the people, they record him and do the foolishness and say I'm a bad driver. But I'm a bad driver, for true. Nah, take no from him, I'm bad with the reversing. So you can imagine if I reverse so wicked and so accurate. Imagine him go forward with the car. Eh? But no man, Jamaica no a real place. Thanks for all people. You don't know so the last piece of news that you know. Yeah, man, nothing more on the left man. We don't know more figure, you know. But people just want to thank you for back to the Patwanewsnetwork Network. You don't know, say February, the best month in the year almost. You know. We still celebrate, you know. Still a whole of vibes, people, because the month not done yet. We still celebrate. But just want to ask, you know, if you don't like or subscribe it, just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. You don't know, and subscribe to the channel, people, because we're bringing them more news, more sports, more weather and them thing, the Patwanewsnetwork Network style. Just want to big up and big up on yourself, man. You don't know.